I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. Here we have it, iPad mini 6th generation 2021 model, and it is wonderful. But it's missing something that all other iPad minis have had since the inception of them, and that's the home button. That's right, this one has no home button. Instead, it has a fingerprint reader built right in up top here on the sleep-wake button, and it is fast. With just one quick touch, it opens up like that, and it is fantastic. Super fast, super responsive, and a great device. Another thing that's interesting is that they've added volume buttons on the top here. You can see that there's a volume up and volume down button right here. That gives the iPad a sleek way to hold it in one hand, and you don't have any buttons that are holding it down. It also means that you can put the iPad flat against something to go ahead and take a photo on any of these three sides, obviously not this fourth side. Optional accessory is the Smart Folio, and it is also very, very thin. It is super narrow, and in the back here is built-in magnets, which all you do is align the camera with the camera hole here like this, and just like that, your Folio is secure. And of course, it's nice and slick when you want to travel with it, or if you want to go ahead and do a FaceTime call or something like that, very easily done just like that. All in all, a wonderful addition to the iPad lineup. I've been waiting so long for a new mini, and I'm so happy with this one. Comes in 64 gigabytes or 256, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus cellular, but regardless which one you choose, you're gonna love it. I really think it is an amazing, amazing tablet, and I love the size and the performance. I think you will too. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.